Well, it's a cracking morning, absolutely beautiful, but it's about the traffic's going to be a lot busier because the little darlings are back at school. Right, we're starting to back up here, so I'm guessing that the temporary traffic lights will probably be back. It's quite a queue. Quite a queue. Gravelly there. Yes, the temporary lights are back. I thought as much. Four months to do a junction.
Sorry?
4 months to do a junction.
Tell you what, I work for a MOTO and I can tell you what's happening on the roads now. It's terrible.
It's shocking.
I tell you what, it's a crisis on the world. But I don't know where they get the money for that.
They're only working Monday to Friday.
Okay.
They're not here at the weekend.
When the weekend is less
Yeah.
busy road, you can do much more than
Yep.
during the week.
Yep. They're only here Monday to Friday. Weekend gone.
Everyone likes weekend jobs.
Oh, of course we do, but this is unbelievable.
Tell me about
You know.
things that
That's why I'm bringing the bike to work now.
it's quicker.
Much quicker. You just sail past all the cars.
No, I don't have a choice.
Yeah. Well, when I get into work, I'm driving, but I mean, it's queued right back.
But even I was driving through the M9 and it showed me on the start I'm into traffic and I thought maybe I'm gonna go this way, it's gonna be quicker.
Yeah.
To the depot.
Take care, pal. He was really nice. Well, the beauty with the lights, temporary lights back there, holding us up, giving us a bit of a free run. Nice bike that in front. You can smell it, smell the petrol off it. It's actually a cracking smell. He's going to do what I normally do. A wee sneaky down to the front. Right, pal. A cracking machine, that.
I had it out for about a year.
Cracking, mate.
Oh.
On you go. That's the boy saying that he's not had it out for over a year. I think this is going to be a happy commute to work day. Makes a change. It's nice to have a riding buddy, isn't it? Well, that made light work for that. 2 tractors out today. I take it the tractors are back to school as well. Nothing worse there than a bloody box van or whatever in front of you. I'm actually surprised how quiet it is here. Normally this is ram-packed. Going on to the bypass by the looks of it. Have a good day, mate. Well, that was quite a little blast. Always good to make new friends on your commute. That's 2 new friends I've met today. A tad busy here. Oh, the beauty of being on the bike. You can use the bus lanes. Well, most of the bus lanes. Not them all. Just most of them. You got enough L plates on that? I take it you're a learner. State of this road. This got resurfaced just a few years ago and it's absolutely knackered already. Great, eh? That's how fast you move in Edinburgh. Never even got out of first gear. One red light straight into another. Busy, busy. This is not as busy as it normally is here, right enough. Normally this can be backed right up. What's this traffic light all about? See it? Traffic light here, but there's a line away up there. I can only presume they're going to... Oh, they are putting a crossing in there. But why? Just have the crossing here and a crossing there. But now you're going to have a crossing there, a crossing, that'll be about what, 3 car lengths back. Unreal, man. And why is the lights red when traffic going this way is not impeding anything? Oh, what's happening here? All taped off. Simon Snorkel's coming out to play. Oh, it looks like he's packing up. Missed all the action. You know, that's the only statue in Edinburgh that's dedicated to a woman. The rest are dedicated to men and animals. Can't wait for this festival to be finished. Get rid of all this rubbish. Honestly, it makes the city look so untidy. Right, I'm going to disappear. Bye for now.